Hey guys, it's me. Look how beautiful the sun looks. All right, let's go for a walk. We're going for a walk for today's exercise. I got my tennis shoes on. I figure I'll switch it up a little bit today and take us for a walk. Ooh, it's a little chilly. I'm gonna put my hoodie on. My head was cold. And what's up, guys? We are moving our feet outdoor. Look how beautiful the sun looks. Look at that tree. So gorgeous. I figure I'll take us out for a little sunset walk. I hope you guys are having a good day. I am moving. That's the whole point. I figure I'll get us out of the house today, out of the same old exercise, and switch it up. So, getting some fresh air and walking, and I'm headed to do some errands. Yeah, I hope you're having a good day. I'm so grateful. Everything is so gorgeous. Oh my God, look at the sun. So gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Make sure you get your water. Think your positive thoughts. And most importantly, don't forget to be present. I love you. And yeah, keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Yeah, let me cross the street. I still feel like a little kid every time I cross the street. It's so funny. Look at that tree. So beautiful. We are walking today for the workout. We are walking today. I hope you're having a good day. Don't judge me. Don't judge my voice. It's cold. And I'm shivering a little bit. All right. This is fun. Hey guys. So we're moving around. We are working today. Like my outfit. Ew. Ew. We are walking today. Hey guys. So I encourage you today to walk. Get out of the house. Get some fresh air. Go for a jog. Go for a walk. It's beautiful. Stop and smell the roses. Stop and smell life outside of the house. Quarantine had us getting used to being inside all the time. So I'm challenging myself to come out of the house more often. You know. And allow life to happen. So yeah, we are walking today. Yeah. All right, guys. I love you. I appreciate you. All right, let's turn around and get some of that sunset. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Thank you, Source. Thank you for getting us through the day. Thank you for giving us the courage to get out of the house and get some fresh air or get our business taken care of and all that good stuff. We're grateful. Yeah. Mind, body, and Soul Fitness here. I'm just grateful to be able to spend this little moment with you in the sunset. I love you. I appreciate you. I hope you have a great night. Maybe I'll see you later. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll see you very soon. I love you.